Hey there, I'm Luke the Cookin Camper, along with Zena the Glamper Camper. Mr. Cameraman is driving. We are headed to a camp out at Mount Triddle in Prescott, Arizona. But driving and riding definitely makes you hungry, so we are going to try out these Sahale snacks. We have a pistachio glazed trail mix, and then we have a cashew glazed trail mix. Let's try them out. Let's try them. Now these are hopefully delicious because they are really expensive. For 4 ounces, full price at my local Safeway was $5.99. I did get them on sale, however, but we're gonna try the naturally pomegranate flavored pistachio glazed mix first. Now right on the front, it does show you all of the ingredients. Or I should say it shows you all of the flavors. There are a lot more ingredients than just listed on the front. Ooh, they smell really good. So this mix has almonds, black peppers, lemon, pomegranate flavored apples, and cherries. Looks pretty good. You definitely taste the black pepper and the pistachios and the almonds. Kind of unique. I've never had like a sweet and peppery trail mix.
Good.
Really good. And the first ingredient is pistachios, so that means you get a lot of pistachios, almonds, and then it's pomegranate flavored dried apples. So those are kind of interesting. I don't know if that's just because a dried pomegranate seed would not be good.
Is it the seed or is it the actual fruit?
No, this is an apple that they flavor like a pomegranate with natural flavors. That one was pretty good. Let's try the other one. Now this one is naturally pomegranate vanilla flavored cashews. Now on the front it says this has pomegranate flavored apples and Madagascar vanilla beans with the cashews. Looks pretty tasty. They are really glazed. So it's just like a coating that they put on the outside of the nuts. Those are good.
Give Zena one. She's in your video, she needs to eat.
Hey, do you want to try this? Ooh, is that the wet that? They are Zena approved. I do like the first ones because you get a mixture of flavors, but these are really yummy. Well, thank you for watching this video. If you want to check these out, definitely search them online. I'm sure they probably have them at your local grocery store. These Sahale nuts were so good that we had to come to Safeway to get even more. And now we can try out the other flavors too sometime. If you like this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you see the next time me and Zena upload a new video. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.